Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Keeping your little one entertained and active can be a challenge. That is why this basketball 4-in-1 sports center from Bitbeebin has been such a great addition for my little grandson. First of all, it's durable. And let me tell you, he puts it through a lot every time he visits. This is the toy he runs to. Everything comes in an easy to use storage case, so you can take it all apart and put it away if you want to. Almost everything fits back in except the basketball. Once it gets inflated, I had a hard time finding a place to fit it. It is a basketball and baseball toy, and it's adjustable. So my grandson right now is 2 years old and he has so much fun doing what he can with it, but I know it's going to keep growing and being useful as he gets older. It even has an automatic pitching machine that requires no batteries. And after showing him how to do it maybe 4 or 5 times, he does it on his own now. And I'm so happy because I know that it's going to keep him entertained and active. Now it does have a basketball hoop that's adjustable to different heights. It has several different ways to hang the baseball. One's a soft baseball, kind of teaches the little ones how to swing, and it's very soft, so you don't have to worry about that. But it also has harder baseballs, so they can kind of graduate to this little automatic pitching machine. And of course, it comes with a bat. Now, we play it with him, but then, like I said, he enjoys shooting that baseball all by himself with his little tiny 2-year-old feet. This has been such a huge success. I am so pleased with it. And that is my point of view.